All right, in this video, got a kind of a unique one. We're going to be inspecting the roof up there on the two-story building without even getting up there, and also those windows, as well as a little yard inspection. Let's get started here. So I've got my new toy here. This is my new drone, and it has an incredible camera on it. I bought it for a variety of reasons, having fun, and also it has some benefits as a homeowner because it can get a bird's eye view, right, of some of those hard to reach places. So if you're interested, you can check the description down below for this drone that I purchased. It's definitely affordable. I waited for a deal, and I just have this, and it's not only, like I said, a lot of fun, but has some practical purposes around the home too. So let's go ahead and get this thing started up, and we are going to bring it on up to the elevation that I would like. And by the way, there are regulations that you need to follow if you're using this recreationally, or if you want to use this to do aerial photography and videography, and you're selling it for like a business, for example, you'll have to get your Part 107 drone license, which is no easy feat, but something you should know about. So anyway, you can see the picture here. This is the file that's been imported from the camera that has recorded from the drone, and it is amazing, very high quality, and it's got full 4K capability, 60 frames per second. This isn't a tech channel, but so I won't bore you with all that stuff. But you can see here I'm looking through my little viewfinder, and I am locating the windows up here because I have never really been up here before. My ladder doesn't extend this far, and I wanted to inspect these upper windows just to make sure they are looking good and whatnot. So you can just bring the drone over here, and you can get pretty close. Obviously, you shouldn't touch the house with it. That would cause your drone to crash, but we can get pretty close, and we're maintaining visual contact with the drone, of course, so I can see exactly how close it is to the house. But you can see our windows here. We're about that high up. Isn't this cool? Super cool. We can rotate it. There's your pilot down there. And so this can give you some interesting shots of your windows. Like I said, if you've got some water coming in or something, there might be a visual that can help you. All right, it's break time. Welcome to my channel. Click that subscribe button, like this video if it's helping you out, and share this with somebody that you know. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and check the links in the description. So here it is again. We're going to bring it all the way up to the roof real quick, but let me just give you a tour. There's that camera on the front that I was talking to you about, and you can rotate it up and down as this thing is in flight. So you can really get a great angle around your house and your roof area, window area that you're looking for. It doesn't point straight up, but it does point straight down and has a good angle. You can point it directly in front, like 90 degree in front, and you can even bring it up 20 degrees past then if you need to. If you're trying to battle Creeping Charlie like I am, check this out. You can get a kind of view of where it is. Yeah, you can certainly go out and look at it with your own eyes, but bird's eye view definitely can give you some more insight as to where you need to plan your attack if you're planning on spraying and trying to get rid of Creeping Charlie in your lawn. So that would be another benefit. You can see we definitely have it Creeping Charlie encroaching here, and I've got my perimeter outlined. I'll make a separate video on how I dealt with that, so you can search my channel. And we'll get it up here a little higher for you. And the drone does have different speeds too. You can bring it up pretty quick or make it move forward pretty quick. It's got a variety of settings, and every drone's going to be different, and I'm not suggesting you buy one. This is just kind of this is what I did to inspect my roof. But it's kind of this tool around the house that you don't really think of a drone being like a tool, right, for your home. But check this out. We're going to bring it on over to the roof, and I'm just going to do a cursory inspection of my shingles, and you can bring this thing as close as you want. Again, you need to have line of sight with the drone, so if you bring it up over, you'll lose that line of sight, and that could be a problem for you. But if you're looking at lateral inspections like this, check this out. So you can look for hail damage. If you have had hail recently, you could possibly get this up here to take a look and get it pretty close. It's not the same as a professional inspecting your roof, of course. And you can also check your gutter guards as well to make sure that they are not packed with leaves or anything. So we'll go ahead and stop the video there. Hopefully this has helped you out, thinking about maybe a drone as a tool. Who would have thought, right? So many cool things you can do with it. Thanks.